The digital economy in the Philippines is expanding rapidly, driven by digital infrastructure, e-commerce, and online services. However, 40% of Filipinos still lack reliable internet access, highlighting the importance of optimized, accessible websites for businesses. With over 99% of Philippine enterprises classified as MSMEs, investing in professional website development can open doors to broader markets and higher growth.
Asa to ingat eh? Pag-ani. E-commerce. Ang e-commerce is ganang gakuan siya buying and selling sa through internet ang e-commerce.
So ang example niya is online shopping, internet banking, digital banking, digital goods, online advertising, online travel booking.
So karon nga hinalsyon bitaw sa kay makakuan beta kay ga-involve sa ang mga kanang mga other internet mga intelligent o mga AI.
Ang expert site sad is Allbirds kanang ga-sale sila sa sustainable footwear made from natural materials and consume to model.
Real world examples ani niya is Disney fan kit. Kaya allow mo siya sa mga fans to personalize sa movie merchandise. The recommendation of e-commerce is be honest lang dapat clear inyong product na ibalya.
So sa create an opportunities is the increase bitaw sa increase iyang online presence with more people nga ga-shopping online having the strong e-commerce platform. So through e-commerce atong mga baligya kanang ga-kon bitaw dito ra ta palit sa internet like unsa to karon gauso na ba nga ag-order
online shopping,
TikTok dayon
Lazada shopping.
Pero may ba na ato himuon kay dili na